Hi everybody, this is Lori Townsend and I'll be your professor for Business Communications for this spring 2020. I wanted to give you an orientation because especially if you're new to online courses, it can be overwhelming. My best advice to you is to make sure that you read everything, but I'm going to walk you through a few things just so you can see how they work. Should start at our homepage. This is your homepage. All of IEEE's policies are listed here that may affect you. In the bookstore link there as well is for your other classes because you don't need a book for this class. It is included, which I'll show you in a minute. Always check my announcements. Right now I have a welcome to class one. Hopefully it'll still be displayed. It only displays for a week, so I'll have to change the date going forward. But you have to use your T-Wolves account because any correspondence from me goes there, and announcements will appear as well in class. So it's very important that, if I have to change a due date or I make an update to the calendar or I make an update to an assignment or there's a problem with assignment, I will post it in an announcement for you. Okay? You pretty much can do all your navigation from the left here, but make sure you take a look at the things that go with it. Click around and again, read everything. Take part in the icebreaker, which is right there. Make sure you read the directions. Most people lose points because they don't read the directions, not that they couldn't do it. Okay, so then you're going to start module 1 after you've read through everything. So it says fall 19 because I haven't updated with this video yet, but it'll be changed by the time you get there. There's your course announcement that links to this page. Your course calendar. This will link you to your course calendar. Click on that. Most of my documents open in Dropbox. You do not have to make an account for Dropbox. You can just open it and see it like this. So this is your calendar. The first due date is 1/23 and it's worth 25 points. So you can see every week what you have to do and the points associated with that. Okay, let's go back here. Okay, so this is the main area. Oh, the course information is the syllabus. I'm sorry, I knew I was skipping something. There's the syllabus, the points distribution in case you want to copy with just the points. That's what the course calendar is, Starfish. There's an FAQ for the course. You can link to it from down here, but let's take a look since we're here. Do I need a book for this course? The book's included in PDF, so we'll take a look at that in a minute. Any due date means that night at 11:59. We just looked at the calendar, so you should know where that is. Please use PDF, doc, or docs files. I cannot open a Pages file, and if you submit it right in the assignment, do not submit it in the comment section. There's a right submission area, so make sure that you're using the right place. I don't accept anything via email. If there's a problem with the Dropbox for some reason and won't take an assignment, email me and let me know and I will fix it. I'd much rather do that than have assignments all over the place. Okay, I grade every week per class, sometimes 2 or 3 times depending on how much stuff I have, but if you submit something, if I graded on Tuesday morning and you submit something on Tuesday night, it's probably not going to be graded till the next week, so I just ask that you be patient. Okay, let's see, that's just information, so you can read through those at any time. If you ask me questions that's in the FAQ, I will refer you to the FAQ, not because I don't want to answer the question directly, but there may be 5 people who have the same question, so it's just easier to get everybody in the habit of reading the icebreaker. Also, the FAQ, I will be posting in announcements if I make a change to the FAQ as well. Okay, so here's the main module. Go through and read all the course information that I just showed you. Read Succeeding with Waymaker. Oh, I thought I added numbers to these modules. Well, I'll be doing that today. I'll be adding numbers just to make it a little easier to navigate. But each one of these modules has, let's look at Communicating in Business, a study plan, the PowerPoint's there for your interest. Then you have a quiz, Communicating in Business. You get 2 chances to do the quiz. So make sure you use them. And then there's an assignment in every chapter. Now some assignments are worth 25, some are worth 50. So that could kind of be a gauge to you how much work you should be doing, because obviously if it's a 50, I think it's a lot of more work than the other ones. Okay, make sure you read through the entire assignment, because sometimes here's a PDF of this file so that you can submit. I use the .docs, but you can submit this to me, this table. And there's 2 questions down there to answer as well, but they're cut off. Okay, so the ebook. It's free. There's no computer component besides this Waymaker. And it is provided free through SUNY. I do not recommend printing off the book unless you have to. It is 500 and see, it goes a long way. 554 pages long. So think about that and your parents or yourself buying ink. That's an awful lot. If you've got to print it at school. And actually I print it by chapter because I don't use, I think there's 16 chapters in here and I only use 15. So keep that in mind. Okay, so to contact me, there's a send email link. All instructor users will get you to me. I have listed in the syllabus my office phone number, but I'm only in my office during office hours, which is 5 hours a week. I check my email constantly, so I highly suggest that you use that. Okay. And if you do email me a question, please make sure that you check for a response. It's very frustrating when I respond to a student and 4 days later they send me another question, because then I got to go back and read the original conversation to refresh my memory of what it contained. If you send me an email with a question, I'm going to answer within 24 hours, so be checking your email. The student emailed me today, I answered in 4 minutes. So that's about it. There's Blackboard help here, Success help if you need it, and that's about it. Let's have a great semester, everybody.